Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. If you want to install Adobe Express on your Chromebook, then follow this video tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Adobe Express, simply open Google Chrome browser and visit new.express.adobe.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. If you get sign in or login screen, simply log into your Adobe account, or if you don't have, you can simply create an Adobe account. After creating your account, it will redirect you to new.express.adobe.com. So you will get this kind of page. Also on the address bar, you will get the download button. Simply click on it. And here we have the installation window. If you don't get the option here, then you can simply click on this three dot icon, then click on save and share, and here you can click on install Adobe Express. Now click on install and it will install the application on your Chromebook. Now to pin Adobe Express on the Chromebook self, simply right click on the icon, then click on pin option. Now you can simply click on this icon to open Adobe Express on your Chromebook. You can also open it from the app launcher. For that, click on launcher icon and here on the app drawer, simply look for Adobe Express application and open it. There is also another method to install Adobe Express on your Chromebook. For that, simply click on launcher icon, then open Explore application. Now here on the Spotlight feature, you will find an option to install Adobe Express on your Chromebook. Simply click on it. Now click on Get Apps option, and here you should get the installed option. So application is already installed. That's why I'm getting Open Apps option. If application is not installed on a Chromebook, then here you should get install button. If you're not getting Adobe Express on the Spotlight feature, then you can simply click on Apps and Games option, scroll down, then click on Show All Apps. Here click on Creativity, and here you should get Adobe Express application. Simply click on the application and here click on Get Apps option, and it will open the installation option. So that's it. This is how you can install Adobe Express on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.